What's going on, everybody? Dalton's Garage, and today in this video I'm going to show you quickly how to remove a double pin door hinge. Now this door is original to the house, built in 1969, and it's got the old original hardware attached to it. However, I've noticed a lot of newer homes have this same identical type of hardware where you got the pin running through the top with a steel cap in the bottom. So I'm going to get you up here a little bit closer so you can see, and I'll show you how it's done. Alright, and before we get started here, what you're going to need is a hammer, a pair of vice grips, and a simple pin of such here. I'm going to use this Allen wrench. However, you can use a small screwdriver or a nail or anything just to drive the pin out. Alright, here it is. Now this hinge is on the outside of the door. However, some doors it's going to be on the inside. It just all depends how your door and hardware was installed. So what you're going to do is grip the bottom exposed portion of the cap with the vice grips, and make sure you have it where this side's sticking out, not the flat side. Put the flat side back toward the door and clamp it down pretty good. Get your hammer and just lightly tap. Boom. As simple as that. Now we got the little pin out. We'll set that off to the side and make sure not to lose it. Now you're going to do is take your Allen wrench and pop the pin out, and you're done. We're not going to take this door off yet, but we will. We're in the process of replacing it, but I'm going to show you real quick how to put it back together. Get your little cap here. Oh, there we go. Alright, just going to simply tap back down like that. And push this up in there so it'll take hold, and just there you go. Simple as that.
Thanks for watching.